Hi, I'm Vidhya Vijayakumar. I'm here to represent the God's own country, Kerala, and I'm from Thrissur. I'm 25 years of age. I'm a postgraduate in journalism, and now I'm behind my passion, my ambition of becoming an actor. I'm a trained classical dancer and classical singer. I would like to influence people with the power I have, with where I stand. And I'm sure that being the finalist of Miss South India 2020, I can achieve all my dreams.
Hi, very good evening.
Good evening, sir.
You told that you are coming from very conservative family, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm asking you, the question for you is, if there were no rules in your life for one day, what would you do?
Thank you for the question, sir. Till date, I don't think I've had rules in my life. It was me who was living each and every day, making my own rules, which I feel is good for me for my future. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Recently and earlier also, movies were released focusing on the life of an acid attack survivor. How much relevant are these movies in our current society, and what steps can be put forth to prevent such attacks?
As an actor, I'm so proud of the actors to showcase such roles. Through movies, people get a better view of how painful the attack is. Everyone should be given more education on this topic, I feel.